Apple is going to ramp up its production in India. India might see 2 new production lines coming from Apple, one by Tata and one by Foxconn. This is happening due to the tension between US and China when it comes to the tariff war. We know Apple has its largest production in China, but after this, we're going to see a lot more changing for India over here, seeing a lot more production happening for Apple from India. Apple is setting up a $2.6 billion plant with Foxconn in Bengaluru. This facility will be capable of producing iPhone 16. Apple is also planning to open another plant with Tata Electronics. Apple is rapidly scaling up its iPhone production in India, while the tariff war between US and China increases. The rapid expansion seems to be a part of Apple's broader strategy to widen its supply chain and reduce dependency on China.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.